Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce vehicles are not mass-produced. Instead, they are meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans. This dedication to craftsmanship ensures every car meets the highest standards of luxury and performance. The process involves a blend of traditional techniques and modern technology, resulting in an unparalleled automotive experience. Each vehicle is a testament to bespoke engineering and design. One of the most defining aspects of creating a Rolls-Royce is the extensive bespoke customization. Customers can personalize almost every detail, from the exterior paint finish to the intricate interior stitching. The Bespoke Collective, a team of designers and craftspeople, collaborates closely with clients to bring their unique visions to life. This ensures that each Rolls-Royce is a distinct reflection of its owner's individual taste and style. The creation of a Rolls-Royce involves the use of only the finest materials, sourced from around the world. From premium leather to exquisite wood veneers, every component is chosen for its quality and durability. Advanced engineering principles are applied to ensure a smooth, powerful, and quiet ride. Each engine, for example, is hand-assembled and subjected to extensive testing, guaranteeing peak performance and reliability. Before a Rolls-Royce leaves the factory, it undergoes a rigorous multi-stage quality inspection to ensure perfection. Every detail, from the paintwork to the interior finishes, is meticulously checked. The final detailing process ensures the car is presented flawlessly. The delivery experience is then carefully orchestrated, often involving a personal handover, making the acquisition of a Rolls-Royce a truly memorable and exclusive event.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.